I've always, I guess, had that prepper mentality for, well, quite a long time. And when all the stuff happened with the virus and all of that first started, I remember seeing shipping shut down. So I ran to the store and I bought two 330-foot rolls of this wire fencing. And I got that from Tractor Supply. It was pretty cheap. I think I paid $150 a roll for it. That's pretty cheap if you say how much per foot, like 50 cents, a little bit less than 50 cents a foot. But what I wanted to use it for is to make fenced-in gardens. I think I'm gonna probably go buy some more of it just to have, just in case I ever want to fence around the entire property. So I'm gonna buy some more rolls of this, because it looks like we're probably gonna start having horses once I buy that other piece. If I ever can buy that other piece of property, I hope those people sell. That little bird had its dinner. And so what I went to do today is I'm just getting back from the feed store, and in the same line of thinking, I went and I bought 15 more cattle panels and 30 more 6-foot T-posts. I got 15 cattle panels in there and a whole bunch more T-posts. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. I think they counted wrong. Anyway, I gave them a really good tip for loading it for me. Anyway, I got 15 more of these. I was thinking about getting 20, but I thought 15 would be plenty enough. If I ever want to build a cattle panel greenhouse, and I'm going to build a nice one if I do, and I think I will. I have a total of 11 more cattle panels in use around the house. So that'll give me 26 cattle panels total. And I might end up buying another 10 more. I don't know. But what I'm getting at is, everybody heard about that Suez Canal thing. I don't think that's going to be the end of shipping, but it might cause prices to skyrocket for, certain raw materials like metal, and it maybe even produced manufactured stuff. So it could be that you might not. Well, the price of cattle panels might start going up. The price of T-posts might start going way up. I want to get as many as I can now. That way I have them on hand and ready to go.